Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Philips Hue Go is probably one of the most versatile and portable smart lights on the market, offering a unique blend of convenience, ambience, and smart control that can transform any space, whether you're looking to add a splash of color to your living room, create a relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom, or even take your lighting experience outdoors for a special occasion. This portable powerhouse allows you to set the mood anywhere, anytime, with its built-in rechargeable battery and intuitive app control, making it an excellent addition to any smart home setup. Number 5. Philips Hue Smart Play Light Bar Base Kit. Elevate your gaming and TV watching with these smart light bars. They create an immersive atmosphere, bringing your entertainment to life. Connect to a Hue bridge to unlock advanced features. Enjoy worldwide control, automations, and a stable, secure connection. Instantly set the mood with millions of colors and a range of warm to cool white light. Dim or brighten to perfectly match your environment. Create an epic backlight for your TV. Mount them behind your screen to surround your viewing experience with vibrant splashes of light. Control your lights with simple voice commands. Set up voice control through the Hue app and use Alexa or Google Assistant. Connect them to the power supply and enjoy. Each additional light bar enhances your smart lighting experience, making it even more immersive. What we like. This offers an immersive experience with 2 light bars and millions of colors. If you're looking to enhance your gaming or TV watching with dynamic backlighting, this is a great choice. It's perfect for creating that cinematic feel right in your living room. What people say. They are easy to set up, sync with the Hue bridge and app, and work with many games and apps that support Hue Sync. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is adjustable, and the effects are immersive. The lights come with a versatile and easy-to-use mounting system supported by 3M tape and Allen key adjustment for the bases. You can arrange them in a variety of ways. They have a base which can be mounted on the bottom so the lights face straight up, or on the smallest end, so the lights stand up and face horizontally. Number 4. Anker 10-in-1 Power Strip with Surge Protection. Introducing the Anker Power Strip, your ultimate solution for powering all your devices. It's designed to keep your space organized and your electronics charged. Its slim and efficient design fits seamlessly into any space, ensuring your desk stays clutter-free. Enjoy reliable power delivery without the bulk. This 10-in-1 power hub is equipped with 6 AC outlets, 2 USB-A, and 2 USB-C ports. It's perfect for multitasking and fast charging all your gadgets. Say goodbye to struggling with outlets. The ergonomic flat plug design makes plugging in a breeze, every single time. Keep your cables neat and your space tidy. Its flat, foldable design makes storage simple and stress-free, eliminating cable clutter. You'll receive the Anker USB Power Strip, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and a connected equipment guarantee. We're here to provide friendly customer service. What we like. This provides a versatile 10-in-1 power solution with both AC and USB ports. If you need to charge multiple devices simultaneously and want to keep your space tidy with its slim, flat plug design, this is ideal for dorm rooms or home offices. What people say. The Philips Hue Go is a portable smart light that you can take anywhere. It has a battery life of up to 18 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for outdoor use or when you're on the go. The light can be controlled via the Hue app, allowing you to adjust brightness, color, and set timers. Number 3. GIPOYENT 16.4 feet LED TV lights. Transform your viewing experience with vibrant, customizable lighting. Easily install these lights behind your TV to create stunning visual effects that enhance gaming and entertainment. Take full control with our intuitive app. Choose from millions of colors, adjust brightness, speed, and explore various modes to perfectly match your mood and content. Feel the beat like never before. The built-in high-sensitivity microphone syncs the lights perfectly with your music, creating an energetic and engaging atmosphere. Crafted with high-quality LED beads, these lights offer a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Enjoy soft, eye-protecting illumination that is safe and reliable. Perfect for any indoor space, from your living room to home theaters. These lights create the ideal ambience for any occasion, powered conveniently by a 5V USB. What we like. This offers a long 16.4-foot strip with vibrant colors and music synchronization. If you want to easily add dynamic lighting to your bedroom or living room and control it via Bluetooth, this is a fantastic option for setting the mood. What people say. Lights work perfectly and was easy to set up, they go to music and external mic. TV LED lights are easy to install and come in a variety of lengths to accommodate different TV sizes. Simply attach them to the back of your TV using the adhesive backing, plug them into a USB port, and voila! Nice quality, easy to install. Love the remote control features. Number 2. Philips Hue Go Portable Smart Light. Introducing the Philips Hue Go, a portable smart light designed for your life. Take beautiful light anywhere in your home or on the go. Enjoy up to 3 hours of wireless lighting on a single charge. Its portable and rechargeable design means you can take your ambience with you. Create the perfect mood with 16 million colors and shades of white light. Customize your personal light show, right from the product or with the Hue app. Control your lighting easily, even without your smart device. Use the button on the product for instant settings, or connect to the Hue Hub for full app control. Works seamlessly with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Simply use your voice to control your light, making smart home automation a breeze. Integrated into your existing smart home setup. It pairs perfectly with other Hue accessories and systems like Nest and Samsung SmartThings for a connected home. What we like. This is a portable and rechargeable smart light with 16 million colors and on-product controls. If you need flexible lighting that you can take anywhere, whether for accent lighting or mood setting on the go, this is your perfect companion. What people say. It uses 110 volts, not 240. It has a small rectangular bar on the back of the case that allows the light to sit upright, at an angle, so the 6-inch face of the light points upward at approximately a 45-degree angle. The Philips site says the light is equivalent to a 12-watt bulb. I can't help but think that's a printing error because that light is bright. It's more like a 60 to 75-watt bulb. The most convenient and best feature of all was shown to me during a really bad thunderstorm a couple of weeks ago. There was a bad accident down the road that caused us to lose power. While everyone else around us was using flashlights and candles, we were lit up like nothing happened. Without even a flicker, the lights continued to light up the room, running off their internal battery. The dimmable feature is like having a volume control for light. Whether you need the soft glow of a candle at dinner or the bright light of a sunny day, the Hue Go obliges with a simple adjustment. And let's talk smart features. The Hue Go integrates seamlessly with your smart home ecosystem. Control it with your voice or a smartphone app, setting the scene without ever having to leave the comfort of your couch. Number 1. Philips Hue Bridge Smart Lighting Hub. This is the smart lighting hub that unlocks the full potential of your Philips Hue system. It allows for automations, smart control from anywhere in the world, and so much more. Leveraging Zigbee advanced technology, it ensures a reliable connection without straining your Wi-Fi. Your lights will continue to work even if your Wi-Fi goes down. This hub enables out-of-home control, allowing you to manage your lights with the Hue app from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also use your home assistant. Expand your smart lighting system by adding up to 50 lights and accessories. It is required to control Hue outdoor lights and accessories. Enhance your movies, music, and games with surround lighting. Make your lights dance, flash, dim, and brighten along to your content. This smart bridge allows you to connect your lights and accessories to other smart home devices that are Matter compatible. Enjoy seamless integration. It receives automatic updates, ensuring your system is always ready for the future. You'll always have the latest features and security. What we like. This acts as the central hub for your smart lighting system, enabling control from anywhere and supporting Matter. If you're building a comprehensive smart home and want reliable, expandable lighting control, this is essential for unlocking the full potential of your Hue ecosystem. What people say. The companion app will take the data being pushed through Multiviewer and use it to control smart lights, so the lights reflect the race conditions such as green flags, red flags, safety cars, fastest laps, checkered flags, etc. All of it was generally easy to configure, and the app gives you quite a bit of control over a simple light. The lights dim from 0 to 100 without issue, and the color range is everything I personally could ask for. This little bridge box transfers your existing Philips Hue light bulbs, from Bluetooth-only control, to Zigbee wireless-controlled bulbs and to the cloud. When you set up this hub, you pair with your phone, then transfer existing BT Hue bulbs to the hub. Then from there, your lights are now controlled by the Zigbee wireless-controlled system. No need to be near your lights anymore because it doesn't use Bluetooth from phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.